Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to talk about a very nice watch and very finely designed watch from the house of HMT and from the Inox Quartz series. This is none other than the IXGS 63. So let us go to the dimensions of watches first. This is one of the few Quartz watches that I really like from the house of HMT because it has a really nice tank style case and that sits really well on my wrist. The case measurement here are 39 mm by around 27 mm. So this is really something nice that you can have in your collection. A very decent size, a very decent fit and finish. All stainless steel construction. The case thickness here is around 6.5 mm with a push fit kind of case back. And the dial shade is very nice maroon finish, an enamel shade maroon finish here. So let's go to the dial features. I will simply pull the crown by one position and I will show you the dial details right now. So I will place it like this. So as you can see that it has only one crown position for changing the time, and it has hacking seconds movement like all the Quartz watches nowadays have. So it is Inox Quartz, HMT and water resistant at 30 meters and a really sleek design. So let's go to the case back now. It features HMT Inox ISGX 63, water resistance 30 meter, the factory code and the year code, all stainless steel, means the case and case back both are stainless steel, India and HMT logo. The lug width on this watch and the leather strap here is a very finely made 20 mm kind of leather strap that tapers down slightly, very slightly. Same here, it tapers down very slightly and very nice thread stitching finishing at the end. A very fine leather strap with the buckle also has the logo signature here. The dial shade is a very nice maroon and that really goes with all the traditional outfits, and I really like this. It goes very well with the casual as well as the traditional outfits. So this is one of the very finely made watches, I think in the Inox series, because these run really long time. It's these are very ruggedly made watches, so if you are looking to buy something into the Quartz segment, I think you should go to the Inox section, because Inox anyways means stainless, so I think you will get many stainless steel finished watches there, completely good and bang for the buck. I got it somewhere around 1700 rupees. So I think 1700 somewhere, it comes around $20, 20 US dollars. So you can really go and have this one. But I don't think HMT ships to foreign countries. So for a person like me with an average wrist size of 7 inches, I think this is very well suited for a casual attire, something worry free and something really worthwhile, to have. So I am not showing the box and papers because it is same old box and papers that you find with all the HMT watches here. So look how fine it looks, how well it sits on the wrist, and something like this I think you should definitely buy. So I feel that the maroon shade is now out of the stock, but you can definitely get the blue one and the black one. Those are really nice too. But I always wanted to have something in maroon because I do not have anything in maroon so far. So this is it, and this is one of the watch that I am a big fan of. So you see, simple, no nonsense, good construction, good size. What more do you want for a price of $20 or 1700 rupees? So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and I think you will really find this HMT Inox with I think the beautiful face, dials, hands, crystal and everything, something worth having. So go ahead, buy this if somebody is looking to buy just one HMT and not to jump into all those mechanicals and automatics kind of collection. So you want to have one, buy this one, as simple as that. Or you can also look at the other offerings from the HMT catalog. So thanks for watching the video and have a nice day ahead.